You're probably one of those people who you want to do something to make money. You want to do a business. You want to have a business model that can make money, but you also want time freedom. You don't want anything that holds you down. You don't want another 9 to 5, and you don't want a business where you're stuck in almost like a 9 to 5. So, what is it that you can do to make money and still have time? Well, I'm going to share with you some suggestions. You can use them as they are. You can change them up as you see fit. Or you can use them to inspire you. But I'm giving you some ideas and some suggestions of what you can do. And remember, you still have to put in the work up front and then live the life after. Alright? Still have to put in some work. And of course, if you already have the resources, you can just pay people to do it, help get it done faster, and then you get there quicker. So go ahead. Use these suggestions as you see fit and get to where you want to. Let's go. Now, what you can do is a niche authority blog, SEO driven content, a website focused on a specific niche like home hacks, pet care, productivity, finance. Traffic comes from SEO optimized articles. It offers you time freedom because once articles rank, they can bring traffic and revenue for years with minimal maintenance. And you make money from display ads like Mediavine and Raptive. They can help you to have display ads, from affiliate marketing, selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or sponsored posts. So if you like writing, you can have a blog. Yes, you put in the work, but as people start to gravitate towards, realize, whoa, this is where I can get the information, then the traffic starts coming in automatic, and all you have to do is just continue to post the frequency you already have just to maintain it, and you make money. Because once you put these articles in there, you don't have to put them there again and again. They're there and that's it. And if you only put an article up once a day, once a week, then you have the rest of the time off. And once you start to build, money start to come in, you have those ads. You just make sure the ads are on the website, or your affiliate link is already making money, and you can have the time now to do whatever you want to do. So go ahead, set up your blog, put in the time, start being ranked on Google and other search engines like DuckDuckGo, whatever, and start making that money. Another way or another business model you can use to make money and have time freedom is to automate digital product store, right? Like ebooks, templates, courses. Sell digital files like Notion templates, planners, AI prompts, mini courses on autopilot, right? Products deliver automatically, no inventory, shipping, or customer service beyond simple, frequently asked questions. And you can monetize by putting these digital products on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify digital downloads, self-hosted websites like Thrivecart, System.io, Stand Store, BigCommerce, etc. So you can automate your digital products. What I mean by automated? When you put it on, let's say you put it on Amazon. Once there's a sale on Amazon, you're going to get that money into your account. Amazon going to send that money into your account. So you don't have to worry about getting paid, etc. You put it up, and Amazon does the rest. If you have your own store like System.io, Stand Store, you set it up. Once a purchase is made, the money goes into your account. You don't have to be there. So you just put up the product, you put up the ebook, you put up the template, you put up whatever digital product you're putting up, and then when the sale happens, it goes to your account. It's automated. So go ahead, put in the work, and then enjoy it after. Now, print on demand brand merch without inventory. Print on demand is very huge, and one of the reasons people like it is because you have no inventory and you don't have to pay money up front. Design merchandise, shirts, mugs, posters that prints and ships automatically via print on demand platforms like Printify, Redbubble, Amazon merch, etc. No inventory, no shipping, no handling, everything is automated, right? So you can use Printful, Printify, Redbubble, Amazon merch on demand. So if you like t-shirts, you like making t-shirts, make them, because you don't have to keep those t-shirts. It's the supplier who have those t-shirts. It's a supplier who sends it to the audience, or to your customer once the purchase is made. You don't have to do it. You just simply make the design, you put up they call it the mock-up or the images. The person click on it. When you're on Amazon, you're clicking on an image, and then you fill out the order form, and then it goes in. Amazon fulfills the order, not the supplier. They just make sure that Amazon have the product. But with the print on demand, you don't touch the product. You don't even have to make sure they have the product. They have to make sure they have the product. That's the difference with print on demand. The supplier makes sure they have it. They send it to the customer, and then they give you your money out of it. So the money goes to them. They take out what is theirs, and they give you yours. And that's it. All you do is set up the image and connect it to their warehouse, and they do the rest. So go ahead, do your print on demand, do your mugs, do your posters, etc., and start making that money and enjoy your free time. Of course, you have to put the work in first and then enjoy after. YouTube automation channel, faceless. You run a YouTube channel without showing your face. Scripts, voice overs, and editing can be outsourced. Once ranking videos generate views and revenue for years. Your YouTube videos will make money from AdSense, affiliate links, sponsored sections, selling digital products, etc. Now, faceless means, this is not faceless, this is me showing my face. But faceless is this, right? And you can talk, or you don't even have to talk. You can let AI talk for you. AI can create a video with all the scenes, etc. Now, I'm not, well, I like AI, but I like being out in nature. Because part of it is for health reasons. You want to get you outside, you want to get your vitamin D from the sun. The sunlight is also good for your eyes. You want to be out in the trees, breathing in oxygen, etc. Plus, you need to get your walks, you need to get moving, right? It's very good and it's for your health. So I don't mind being outside, and I don't mind having the natural environment around me. I would do that, I'll put in that work. But I can use AI if I want to. But like I said, I have a different business model, right? Mine is not just making money, it's also staying healthy. But you can design yours, and again, you can have faceless YouTube channels. There are software right now that can produce the videos for you and put it up. You don't even have to be there. The videos are just being put up. Now, what I find with these videos is that they all look similar because AI can only give you what is in there. Remember, the AI already have information in there. And then based on what you put in, it tries to create that for you. But it's almost like it's pre-programmed. Right? But if you put in your authenticity, your uniqueness, you can create something different with AI. So go ahead, use it, but make sure you put in your creativity. I use it from time to time, but mainly for productivity. Like this, I prefer to do it in person. Why? Because I want to connect with you as a real person. Plus, for health reasons, I want to be out here. I want to keep up my fitness. I want to be as healthy as I can. And I want to be able that I can continue to serve you. So that's why I'm out here. But go ahead, man. Go ahead. Get your YouTube channel going, whether it's showing the face, whether it's faceless, whether it's AI generated. Make sure you put in your creativity and start making that money once you monetize. Plus, even if you don't monetize, you can make money from affiliate marketing, sponsorship deals, etc. Even if you don't monetize, yes, you can start making money early. So go ahead, start a YouTube channel, whether it's faceless or showing your face, and start making money. SEO-optimized affiliate review site. Review products and rank on Google for the best X for Y queries. After ranking posts, earn from affiliate clicks for years. You can monetize from Amazon Associates, SaaS affiliate programs, high-ticket affiliate offers. So in this one, what you can do on your social media is review products. And especially if it's a product that you like, you put that product link in your bio and people click it, you get money, you get commission as an affiliate. Amazon Associate is the most popular affiliate program because Amazon sell almost anything. And people are constantly buying on Amazon. So if you ever go to Amazon Associate, get your link, put it in the description. Whereas if you're talking about a product that you have that specific link in your description, you start making money. And it's gonna be there for years. Once you put it in, that's it. You have the time now to do what you want to do. And it's still bringing in money. And again, you automate it, so it's going straight to your account. So go ahead. Be an affiliate. Start making that money. Now, another way or another business model you can use to make money and have time is online course evergreen funnel. Create a course once, then sell it via automated email funnels. The funnel runs 24/7, selling without you being there. You monetize by putting it on Teachable, Kajabi, Thinkific, Gumroad, System.io, etc. So you have to upload a course on one of these sites, get the traffic, start making money. Now, when they say funnel, what they mean is the process by which you make sales. So like I am talking to you, you can call this the front part of the funnel where I'm communicating with you. And then if you click one of the links in my bio, then now you go to the page. That's another part of the funnel. And then if you click again and you make a sale, now you're getting part of this funnel. Then you get to the course or the product that I'm selling, and now you're at that part of the funnel. So it's the process. That's why they call it the sales funnel. It's a process. It's not an exact tunnel like when you're driving a car and going through a tunnel, or the train going through a tunnel. No. Right? It's just the process from start to finish, how you make sales. Right? And the same thing with your course. You upload it on your own website. Can use System.io, StanStore, BigCommerce, Teachable. You can upload it on Udemy, which is a site that has courses already there. They have audience already there. You just put your courses there, right, and start making money. It's automated, so the money goes straight into your account. So go ahead, set up your courses and start making money and having the freedom to live your life. Subscription-based newsletter, recurring revenue. Write weekly insights or niche updates and charge subscribers. Simple weekly output, recurring predictable income. So you make money from paid newsletter, sponsorship, affiliate links. So if you like writing, one time people used to pay for newspaper subscription and they get newspapers every week, every day, whatever the arrangement have. It's the same thing, people get information, but this time it's a newsletter and sent to their email. And they can either pay for the email or you can be free because you have sponsorship. You have people advertising in your newsletter. Why? Because they want part of the attention you're getting. So if you have a lot of people want your newsletter, people want part of that attention. Companies want part of that attention. So they'll put advertisement in there. They'll sponsor you, they'll do brand deals, etc. to make money, as well as you can put your affiliate link in there so you can make commissions from when people click on those links. So go ahead, start your newsletter, start making money, and then it's automated. So you have the freedom now to do the other things you always want to do. Licensing your AI generated digital assets. Sell or license AI created images, audio, icons, or templates. Once uploaded, assets earn passively. Now, how you make money? Stock sites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Creative Market, Etsy, your own store. So what this is saying is, you have designs and people want these designs, you can sell it. These images you see in videos and in books, people buy them from Shutterstock and Adobe Stock and all these things. You yourself have pictures right now on your phone that not doing anything other than taking up space, and now you have to delete it or find some way to store it. Why don't you sell it? Sell it to Shutterstock. And every time somebody go and download it, you make money. They download it, they make money. You're already taking all these pictures. Go ahead and sell it. And the same thing with audio. Sell it to Epidemic Sound. You ever watch these TikTok videos or even YouTube videos that you hear the music in the background, especially when they don't want to be get copyright? Yeah, buy these music, buy it legally, buy these sounds legally from Epidemic Sound. You are already at home making sounds. So start selling these digital things you have and make money from it. And because it's automated, you have the free time to do what you want. Because once you upload it, and it's connected to your bank account, that's it. And if you want to make more, of course, you do more, you add more. Right? And you add what people want. And that is how you're going to start making money and still have free time to do what you want. SaaS micro tool, no code software products. So SaaS is SaaS, that is software as a service. Create a simple, useful tool like a calculator, AI generator, tracker using no code platforms. You build it once, users subscribe monthly. Monetization, multi-subscriptions, lifetime deals, upsells. So have you ever used GPT? Well, that's a SaaS tool, software as a service. You go in, you use it to do what you want. The person who made ChatGPT, they're not making it all the time. They made it once on board, but people are using it. And if you want the advanced features, then you use the plus, ChatGPT Plus. Right? You pay for the advanced features. And so they have more money coming in regularly. You ever use Netflix? That's a SaaS, software as a service. It's just that you're watching movies now. You're watching on-demand videos. Right? You pay monthly, and you just log in and you get access to it. Same thing. And you can create these SaaS products, software as a service, without even need coding. You don't have to know coding because you have software now where you just literally type in, okay, create this product, and it create it for you. Claude, ChatGPT, etc. offer these services. So go ahead, use it, create the SaaS product you want, have people use it, charge them the subscription, make money. All you have to do is some maintenance and make sure you're running well, but you still have the free time to do what you want. And you can be in any country because most of these things are online. So SaaS is one way you can make money. And Amazon KDP passive publishing, low content or medium content books. Publish journals, planners, color books, log books, or short educational books. White offers time freedom. Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You make money from royalties per book, bundling books into series, niche low competition keyword books. So people say books have died or books are dying. Nope. Books are selling more and more today. E-books and physical books. Now when you upload on Amazon and Barnes and Noble, they take care of the printing, the shipping, and the customer service. All you do is get paid. So they click on Amazon, you get paid, Amazon does the rest. So go ahead, create your products, create your books, upload it on KDP, upload it on Barnes and Noble, and start making that money. You have it in you. You have the knowledge, you have the experience. Start making that money and start having the freedom. You can use these business models, or you can use what you want to use, or you can use this to get ideas, or you can design it as you want. But start using the business model, start building it, and start having the freedom you want to do what you want to do. I am Leroy A. Brown from LeroyABrown.ca. Thanks for joining me.